Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today we've got the SANSI, SANSILED.com. Well, this is an LED wing light. Rated power is 60 watt, luminous flex is 6000 lumen and 5000 K. We've got an E27 bulb. You need an E27 base to screw it. Now let's find out what we have inside. Some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this product. And there it is. There's the wing adjustment. You can adjust it as much as you want. It is your choice. LEDs. E27 to screw it at your base. Lifespan, we've got 50,000 hours. Hollow light design. We've got a cooling efficiency improve. Evenly distributed LED chips. Super bright, low consumption. Every LED chip mixes all wavelengths. And it is adjusted to 90 degrees. You can decide it's the light area that you want to light up and adjust it. Then inside here we've got all the connections of these LEDs. 5 years warranty, and we can see we've got 12 LEDs total, and inside we've got 8 LEDs in each of these cycles. That means total we've got here 24 LEDs. By 4 it goes 96 LEDs total. Everything inside here. Whoa. And it will give you definitely a high brightness at the place that you want to light up. It can simulate natural sunlight, providing the full wavelength of light that is needed for the healthy growth of the plants if you want to use it at your plants. Well, I think it's time to connect it, to screw it to our base and see how much brightness it can give us. You can make the adjustments that you want, where to light up. Well, let's leave it just to check how much brightness it can give us. Okay, I have turned off the light, so let's turn it on. And there we are. Definitely the brightness is too high and it can light up all the room. Nice, thumbs up. I like it. The room, it is about 40 square feet, and I think definitely it's doing a great job. And of course you can adjust it. It depends the area that you want to light up, and just adjust it. It can go up to 90 degrees. Very bright LEDs, and by the touch I can say it's very cool, not even warm. They've got a very good cooling system. Well guys, if you need something like that at your place, well, you can light up your basement, garage, at your home, at your workspace, at your garden, in the place that is your flowers. It is your choice where you can use it. Well, you can check down below to the description, you will find the link, and there you can buy it and you can check all about this product. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.